Hello guys, we have a car here, Hyundai Tucson 2012 gasoline. The car has crank but not starting. No communication on the ECU. We will remove the ECU to have a visual check. So now the ECU is free. We start the heating process to disassemble it. Heat all the edges so that the adhesive will start to separate. As you can see, the circuit board has burn traces. I replaced the damaged parts and clean burn traces. So now we use our secret little weapon. And the last we test this ECU before we assemble it back. And now the ECU is working and ready to assemble. And now we will test the ECU on the car. We put back the ECU and connect the battery.
So, Hyundai Tucson, testing na tong computer. So, okay. It's okay na ang computer. May problema. Ayos na. So, problema ni guys is dili mo andar. Karon ni andar na dyan siya. Problem solved.
And yes, the car is finally fixed and ready to drive. The car just suddenly stopped working while on the road. Some technicians do not know the problem and contact Nevin ECU Car. The owner is happy now. Thank you for watching.